Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to turn off comments on Facebook post. So please watch the video till the very end. First of all, you tap upon the Facebook application and get logged in into your account. Once you have been logged in, you tap upon your profile page. For that, tap on the profile icon on the top left. Once you're at the profile page, you tap upon the post where you want to disable the comments or turn off the comments. Here I'm just gonna go and click open my profile post where I want to disable my comments or any other comments from other Facebook user. For that, you tap on the three dotted lines just beside it. And from there you will see the option of who can comment on your post. You tap that. On the next page, select one of three options on the page. There are three options available: public, friend, profile and pages you mention. People can comment on your post if your option is saved in public. You can tap on either friends or profile and pages you mention as applicable. This will allow less number of people to comment on your post. That would be only the people that you know, that is your friends or the pages that you follow on Facebook. Here you tap on friends and you tap on done. With that, only your friends on your Facebook will be able to comment on your post from now on. So this is how you can turn off comments or disable comments on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates.